Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, I will be teaching you about 6 different word patterns. So, first of all, what is the importance of word patterns? Well, word patterns help explain how to spell, read, and write words. This means that by learning these patterns, you won't find it hard to spell different words. So, let's get right into it. The first word pattern is an, which is spelled with an A and an N. Some words that follow this pattern are fan, man, and ban. This word pattern is used in the sentence, I turned the fan on in my room. As you can see, the an word pattern is used in the word fan. Now, let's move on to our second word pattern. Over here we have got the word pattern of in, which is spelled with an I and an N. A few words that follow this pattern are tin, bin, and pin. An example sentence would be, I threw my garbage in the bin. As you can see, the word bin is using the in word pattern. Our third word pattern is at, which is spelled with an A and a T. Examples of words that use this pattern are bat, hat, and cat. Now, let's look at an example sentence. Over here, it says I bought a new hat, and the at word pattern is used in the word hat. The fourth word pattern is app, which is spelled with an A and a P. Cap, map, and tap are some examples of words that use this word pattern. The sentence I washed my hands from the tap uses the app word pattern. And as you have probably guessed by now, it's in the word tap. Moving on, the fifth word pattern is N, which is spelled with an E and an N. Examples of words that use this word pattern are pen, ten, and hen. An example sentence would be, today I turned 10 years old. And if you guessed that the N word pattern is used in the word 10, then you are correct. The sixth and final word pattern I'll be teaching you is ought, which is spelled with an O and a T. A few words that use this pattern are hot, caught, and pot. An example sentence for this word pattern would be, it is very hot outside, and the ought word pattern is clearly seen in the word hot. By practicing these word patterns, you should be able to learn them very fast. These word patterns will help you become more fluent in English, as it will help you with your spelling, reading, and writing. And remember, if you are having any trouble, then all you have to do is watch this video again and try reading the words out loud. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.